Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen, and if you're new here, welcome. If you do enjoy, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification. It really helps out the channel, and I appreciate you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Big kisses. Oh yes. So my idea is to do kind of like a haul video and then show you guys how it's going to be integrated into my house with the before and after, so you guys get to see how much of a change some of these items are going to be, because my house is really not organized and I've been like really kind of like depressed and like unmotivated. It's been a while that like a lot of things have been knocking me down, but I'm trying to have like more of a positive mindset, and now that I have like the energy to like fix and organize things since we moved in, you guys get to see like how big a difference, because some things are gonna be like, Kristen, you didn't need that, and some things are like, what a mess, what a mess. Are you a crime addict, Kristen? Because you live in like one. I know, it's a mess. Anyway, so flyaways all the time, please ignore them. My hair falls out because I'm anemic. Yay. I feel like this is a dress. So let's get right into the haul. Alright, so I went to two places today. I went to the Dollarama, which is a popular dollar store here in Canada, and I also went to Structube. I always want to say Structube. Structube. So I've never been to Structube before, and it was actually a very enjoyable experience. No one really bugged me. They have like a lot of nice things and it's not that expensive, and I was like, okay, I'll be back. I guess we'll start with the Structube stuff first, because they're more exciting maybe. First, I picked up this. Wow, it's a black thing, Kristen. That's beautiful. Bam. Look at that. Look at you. You look gorgeous, baby. Work it. Make love to the camera. Do. Anyway, so I bought this. I was thinking it might look cute behind the toilet, like on top of like behind the toilet, on top of the toilet back. What do you call it? Hi. It was $10. I thought that was a pretty good deal. I thought it finished up the back of my toilet a lot better, because he's not looking too hot right now. I feel bad for Gabe and the boys when they come over for D&D. It's not cute back there when you're peeing. Anyway, so now we have this. I also bought this little cactus because I thought it might look cute, and then I'd also have like the candle holder that I have back there too. Had it all figured out. This was $10 too. I didn't think that was that bad. And I bought these little candle holders because I thought they were super cute. They are adorable. I just like them. I saw this one first and I was like, because they kind of remind me of the bro, I just knocked over all my fucking beads on the floor. Oh no. Nah. I had a bag down here because my mom sent me home with things, and I was going to mention actually like something in this, but I had beads that I was going to put in resin to make necklaces and stuff, and they're all over the floor. Oh, that came in later, okay? And when I mean beads, I mean like tiny ass little beads. This one was $5 and this one was $6, so I felt that was like pretty reasonable. Even like this thing on it, kind of cute, kind of cute. Alright, so that's it for what I got at Structube because I'm cheap and I was just like, if I don't love it, I'm leaving it. That's what I did. So I only got 4 things. But I got a lot more at the Dollarama. So I bought these. Yes. So what I'm planning on doing is spray painting the cats black to go with everything that I have. Then I'm gonna just fill the canisters that I do have with like rice, spaghetti, and like penne, I don't know, spirals, whatever the hell. Anyway, so I'm gonna fill these with noodles because it's like half the space that the ones that we have right now take up. Just imagine that. So I'm excited to show you guys. If you've been watching my videos, you probably already seen the like canisters. So basically, like a lot of what we have is stuff that Gabe's mom gave him like 5 years ago, and then he's just had forever. Even though they take up space, they're not appealing looking. It's like probably stuff she had laying around and she just gave him. So like I'm trying to spruce things up and be more like organizational, but this is definitely gonna be good. These were only $3 each, so $9 in total for 3 of these. I'll kind of go like big to small. So I bought this frame. I've been looking a lot on Pinterest. They have like frames leaning against the wall overlapping each other, and I know this is small, but it's basically what I have so far, and I'm thinking of kind of doing that. So what I'm going to be doing is I brought home in one of the bags that the beads fell out of, I have watercolor paper that I had bought in like when I was younger, and then it was at my mom's, so like yesterday when I went, I picked it up. I'm thinking of doing my own wall art probably one of these days. I was thinking of doing a video of like when I have like all the frames together, probably. Maybe I'll do like a whole video doing wall art. That's kind of my idea. But yeah, so this is one of the frames that I want to use. It's just basic. It's $3.50, and I thought that was probably a good deal. My mom bought me one of these at the dollar store. They're $4. I know our dollar store, like nothing that I picked up is like $1. Everything is like not actually $1 anymore. So my mom found this bamboo thing. I was actually looking at it last time I was there, so like last week. Well, like when I recorded my last video, I had looked at some while I was at the dollar store, but I put it back because I'm like trying to like spend less. But I thought it'd be really cool to have, and then my mom got me this, and then I realized I can fit like 2 of these in my drawer, so I bought another one. And then I was like, well, you never know when you're gonna need more, so I bought a second. Now introducing the infamous crack addict drawer. Nice. I got a little overexcited and I decided to do the drawer underneath it, full of our Ziplocs and stuff. It's not very satisfying. I don't know. It's a work in progress. It to be determined. We don't know the fate of where everything will be, but I'm working on it. Okay, relax. Now probably for like stuff you really don't care about, but I bought these cute little rags. It's like the microfiber cloths. My mom always uses them to dust, and we don't have any like microfiber cloths. And Gabe brought home some rags and he's like, why don't you just use these? And I'm like, but these are, look at the cute colors. These were $3 for 5. All right, so this is a weird one, but I bought all of these little, Sam. Hello? Are you paying for screen time? Excuse me. Censor that. Girl, I'm gonna get demonetized again. Anyway, so I bought these. They're like a bunch of little like sparkles and stuff. Can you not be a camera hog for 2 seconds, Sam? Jeez Louise. Little sparkles things, because like I was saying before, I bought a resin kit and I want to start making like necklaces. So I actually have like some stuff I picked up outside, like plants and stuff that I thought were cute and I want to put in resin, and they're like in the doorway, but I just don't have any resin yet. But I was thinking like putting like the little sparkles or stuff in there with dye and with like flowers and maybe the beads. I don't know. I'm trying something out and I want to do a video of it, so let me know what you think if you'd watch that video of me making resin necklaces. Anyway, oh, I look so much like my mom right here. Ew. Ha ha ha. Anyway, so I bought wooden dowels. Oh, I didn't tell you, but this was $4 for all these little sparkles, which I thought was fine. I don't know, whatever. Some of them were like really small and I thought it would be really cute. Oh, I could make like D&D dye with them. Anyway, so I bought dowels. There's been like a couple projects I was thinking of doing and I saw the dowels and I'm like, oh, I need dowels. So I bought dowels. They were $1.25, not even $1, $1.25 for dowels. And I bought a bunch of glitter that I thought might be cute in the resin molds. I bought a bunch of little magnets. They're actually, because like we only have like a few magnets on our fridge and I don't know, I want more magnets. Sometimes you need more magnets than like 3 magnets. I bought magnets. It's been on my grocery list for a while, so I thought it was time. These were $1.25, not too bad. Literally nothing I bought was $1. So I also bought this little rack thing. I mean, I could spray paint it black, but ultimately I really don't care. I was thinking it'd be cool under the sink in the kitchen, maybe like throw cleaning supplies in there. I don't know. Under the sinks here are literally messes. I have not touched them. It could use a lot of work. It could use some work, girl. It could use some work. Fish work. Or somewhere else. I don't know. I just thought it was brilliant. We don't know the final resting spot. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. It wasn't anything too special, but I thought it would be something to try out. I've never done a video like this before, so I thought it would be cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe if you're not already, and hit that little bell notification so you get updated every time I upload. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video.